Hi, I'm Matthew Mazur. I'm a Florida attorney. And if you're looking at this video right now, it means you've found my channel on YouTube regarding PPP loan fraud. If you're looking at this, it means you probably are concerned that you could be involved in or you are currently the subject of a PPP loan fraud investigation by the federal government. Right now, the federal government has ramped up its investigations into the Paycheck Protection Program loan fraud across the country. At this very moment, Department of Justice prosecutors and criminal investigators are conducting criminal investigations looking for PPP loan fraud. They have been tasked with recovering money that may have been fraudulently obtained from any number of federal COVID-19 relief programs and getting criminal convictions of the individuals who they have determined committed those frauds. Are you going to be charged with a PPP loan fraud? Don't know. PPP loan fraud typically occurs when false information is submitted on an application or certification documents for loans provided through the Federal Paycheck Protection Program, PPP. The federal government created PPP to aid businesses that COVID-19 impacted. The Paycheck Protection Program's purpose was to provide financial resources for these businesses to cover expenses that could not be covered because of the loss of revenues caused by the shutdowns. These loans were forgivable loans if they were used to cover eligible expenses, such as payroll and operating costs. To qualify for these loans, impacted businesses needed to complete formal applications with financial institutions that had been tasked with verifying their PPP loan eligibility. Once a business was given a PPP loan, it was under strict compliance guidelines regarding how the money was to be utilized and documentation of the same. Failure to comply with these guidelines and documentation requirements can form a PPP loan investigation basis. We will be doing additional videos beyond this initial one that gives a general idea of how a PPP loan fraud investigation could start and the things that could have been done while a loan was being applied for or when forgiveness was being applied for that could set you up to be involved in a PPP loan investigation. Remember, just because you may be investigated for a claim of PPP loan fraud doesn't mean that that investigation has to end up in criminal charges. Check back on our channel for more educational videos that we're putting together to help you guys deal with these issues.